Hey, so started doing a video the other day, and I was going to go over the turn signals, and I flipped my lights on. And I'm like, oh, look at this, and blah blah blah, and light out. So we got to fix that. Walmart and braved it to get a pack of these guys here. This is the H4 Silver Star. They were to 33.88 for the pair. Um, Hold on. What I have here is the second most sought after tool is the 10 millimeter wrench. We're gonna go after these bad boys and get this filter out. There's no way I can get up in here with a socket. There's just no room. Well, anyone gonna ask, I have an XL size hand, and I'm gonna shove it up in there, get a little wiggle poo, and I'm going to access the back of these lights. And it is not going to be pretty. Push in on the bracket a little bit. Pop that out. Come here. Why are you fighting with me? Okay. So, this right there. These little tabs fit up in there, and then you have to get the filter to seat in and then get it close enough for this here to go, and then you could screw it in. It's a major pain in the ass. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta get up in the back here. What I realized yesterday is taking the rubber piece, disconnecting the light down here and getting the rubber piece off that, off the back, the rubber gasket. Because it's just that tiny little itsy bitsy bit that's keeping my freaking hand from getting back in there. That pops right off. The blown light is actually over on the, we'll call it the driver's side. Okay, there's the, I can feel the plug. There's not, yeah, maybe there is. So you pull the plug on the back, push it aside, like to the right side of the bike. There's a tab, a rubber tab for the weather tight seal over the light. I'm gonna push that weather tight seal off to the side as much as I can. Not much. To push in, when you feel a little spring, you push in and towards the inside of the bike, towards the that side, that way, and then you got to grow another hand while you're up in there to get this thing. There's one out. All right, I'm gonna go open the other package. So, calling good old Kershaw Blur. Get in here and cut this fucker all apart. That wasn't cool. All right, getting into this thing. This way is down. The flat spot is down. Got a little tab there, fits right inside of there. So when you go up in there, man, you just be ready. Go in that way there. Just stick it up in there. This is gonna be miserable because all the stuff that was in the way before is still in the way now. Find that wire, get that wire out of the way. I see that I am hooked. Got myself hooked right on it. Alright, so now by the wire, Push it in. Oh, you were there. You were right there. All right, so that's in. Okay, so push in and over towards the outside, towards the driver's side, and that light's in. I think. I don't know. I don't feel real confident about that. I wonder if it's the light itself that just doesn't fit the best in there. Huh. Clip's in there, it's in right. We'll have to see with the other one. But I think the light bulb just may suck. It's got a little bit of rattle, like has some movement in it. And I would expect that the spring clip and everything would hold that securely in there. I hope I don't have to come back and rework this one, but I'm not feeling real good about it. Everything is based on feel back here. I assure you, if I didn't have to talk through this shit, think so much, and I need to get out on a ride, this shit would have been done. It's on there. I'm just making sure everything's pressed on right. Okay, so 11 minutes into this. There we go. It's kind of got like this blue hue thing going on. Let's go ahead and do the other one while we're at it. Might as well have a match. What I'm finding on this is that there's a wiring harness that's up there. And it keeps you from getting that that weatherproof seal out of the way. Push it towards the passenger side, and the spring pops right out, and you get a light. For reference, these were the Phillips 12342. Phillips. That was in there before. I couldn't tell you how long they lasted or anything. They always look great, but don't know. That one's just going to go aside as a spare. Should I go bediddle again? And we'll see if I ever need it. Hopefully not. Okay, that's done. All right, let me find the light bulb clip. Stick my fingers in the. It's fun. Oh man, poke through the. You gotta pull it out and move it around. There's my plug. Now we're gonna. But I mean, you gotta get nice and close to your bike. When you get up in close, personal to a high motorcycle. Make sure you have all the bugs cleaned off and cut out. That's it. Let's see what we got. All right, so the Cyclops light is currently off right now because I have gotta find the cover. Oh, the cover got. I want the cover. It was up in the back. This is that rubber cover that you find on the other pieces. I don't know if you can see that there. It's a little rubber flappy thing. Play with it. How you doing? So that little rubber flappy thing, there's what you may have to get a hold of to pull it off. Actually, it don't do shit. Don't do anything. That center one, man, that gets lucky. That thing popped right on. Boom! There we are. We got lighting. So, I don't know. That's 16 minutes, 20 minutes. Yeah, maybe I'd cut out some little stuff. Nobody needs to see this filter going back in. So I'm going to cut that part. Take a little break here for a second. Gotta have coffee. Cheers. Fucking thing. I hate this motherfucker. Huh. Work. Tiny motherfucker. Works every time. Turn the shit off and go for a ride.